Hey, what's up guys? It's your girl Bree and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, if you can already tell by the title, I am doing a Sephora review haul type thing.
Beauty guru vibes as fuck.
So I had a $50 gift card to Sephora for my lovely mother. Thank you, Mom, for that. So the first item that we have is this mascara. It's Big by Definition, Sephora brand. It's defining and volumizing. It was $12. So here it is. This is what the stick looks like. I think you can obviously tell that it's on there. Gives my eye a nice little dark look. Okay, and then the next product I got is this mini lip injection by Too Faced. It's the extreme mode. It was $16. Yes, there's my lips before. It comes in like a little box, and it does have a paper or whatever that says you might feel some slight tingling sensation, and it's definitely true. You do feel the tingling sensation, but I can definitely feel it, and you can like already, I think you can see a difference. It's definitely worth it if that's what you want, and it's definitely, I think, a good price for what it does. Last but not least is Mini Hollywood Flawless Filter Highlighter. So if y'all know me, I love me some good highlighter. I think it has super cute glow. It's come in like this little thing, and I usually, this is how I use it. I put some and then I just like dab it in. Yeah, and then you can get a little glow. Okay, Bert. Sorry, also, by the way, this was $15. Altogether, it was $48.65, so that's not bad. So now I'm gonna go get ready and take pictures and take TikToks and get cute. But I just needed to make this video. Let me know in the comments video ideas that you want to see, because it gives me more motivation when I know I'm making something that other people actually will watch and want to see. So please, if you're watching this right now, comment some video ideas for me, and I will definitely get on that. Summer's coming up. I'm super excited. You can expect so much content from me. I'm gonna try my best to get on the YouTube grind. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next